What's going on YouTube? Armani that car addict back here guys with a brand new video, and today I'm at the Worldwide Technology Raceway. I'm just gonna call it Gateway because I'm so used to it since I've called it that all my life. But I'm here today at a track event, watch a few people run around the track. There's some people on the track right now. There's the M5 competition on the track right now, but I just got here and my buddies, oh look at this turbo. Another turbo car. But no, I love it. My buddy's GT4 RS, he's not tracking it, he got here late, so he just wanted to come meet some people. CT5 lead, okay, that's nice. Turbo S convertible right here. I think as GT3 RS over there, I think I know that guy. I talked to him. GT4. Let's see what else is over here. My friend's car, she's gonna be racing later. A freaking SF90's on the track. Miata, that's crazy. C8, not a Z06. It's a C8. I like the color on this Camaro. Look at this. That's sick. Another turbo. M240. I think that's the M2. Yeah, that's the M2. Yeah, they got a lot of cars out here. I wasn't expecting an SF90 to be out here, but that's cool. Another GT3 RS right here. Yeah, a few Porsches. Came to GT4. I always wanted came to GT4 until the GT4 RS, and now that GT4 RS is top tier for me right now. Yeah, a lot of Porsches. My friend that's racing that was in that BMW, her mom's a Porsche instructor, so she's probably instructing one of these groups out here. GT500, that's nice. There's M2, there's a bunch of people getting ready to go line up right now. AG, yes, right there. Yeah, oh my god, look at this Lotus. Bunch of Porsches, like I said before. Let's see. Oh, newer GT3. I like that. Let's look at this right quick. How you doing? Good. I like the windows. I like the accents. I like the seats. It's a stick shift too. Hell yeah. Not gonna lie to you guys, it's kind of freaking cold. It's windy. It's really windy. It's like 40 degrees and it's almost May. I don't like it at all. Not bad. The one behind it. Right next to where our trucks are. What you gonna do this time? What you gonna do this time?
Yeah, I think like 35 is what I was usually using them at.
Aw, shit. Update. It's still cold as fuck. And I am, yeah, I'm just, yeah, cold as fuck. This M4 CSL is nuts though. Competition, you better beat that TT 500. There's a CT5B out here. That's crazy.
Oh my god, I can't wait to take this on the track.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Like, it holds so well. Compared to the BMW, I'm fucking sliding around everywhere. Okay, let's speed up a little bit. Too muffin. Is that what it says?
Too much fun.
Oh. I'm dyslexic. Like, for the longest time, there was this donut shop by my friend's house, and I always thought it was like Donut Place, but it's Donut Palace.
Oh.
And I was like, I definitely knew that. I definitely feel like we could go a little faster.
Alright, that's enough track time for me. I am going to go to Home and Motor Cars where they have a special Lamborghini there. I will let you guys know what it is once I get there. And I'm going to see where the day goes from there, because I think there's some other things going on, but you know me, I'll find out at the last moment like I always do. But alright, I will see you guys once I get to Holman. Peace. Okay, so I made it to Holman, and a few of my friends are waiting on me inside, and I'll show you their cars right here. One just got an AMG GTR, and the other one just got, he has Nismo GTR, not Nismo, but GTR, he looks like a Nismo for a while. So they're here. This is here, SF90. Nice Bentley. I think it's a new Bentley, I don't know how they say it, Mulsanne or whatever. Oh, it's a Flying Spur. Never mind, I was wrong. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Hello. He's cool. It's a piece. I like this thing. This is nice.
Come on, bro. Why are you recording this piece of shit? You're supposed to record the GTRs.
I recorded when I got out of the car. I started recording as soon as I got out of the car.
What do you think about it?
It's cool. It's a lot going on back here. It's just like,
Why is it the last pipe so small?
That's wild.
But you know what else?
Why? This is literally a federal bumper, dude.
U.S. Yeah,
This
U.S.
is
bumper.
a federalized bumper
Yeah.
that they used as an exhaust tip, but it's not even colored. I guess.
You know they do that on most cars though.
Yeah, I know. Most car has it. It has
Yeah.
the same bump.
They always do it on Mercedes too.
I told him to put it on
He told him to put it on there.
Yeah, he went to the federal government, paid $100 million, and told them to put it on there.
What you guys think about it?
I think it's too much.
Too much, yeah.
Honestly, like we thought, this is like the
SVJ.
even this is a little too much. But
This is where it
way
ends
better
right
than
here.
that.
Oh yeah, yeah, without a doubt. Duh.
Legendary.
Well, this is just perfection, so you can't really. That's out
It's
of
like
question.
that and then that. It's like,
And you know, these are probably the same price. That's the crazy thing.
yeah. Well, no, that's. Oh, I forgot those did go up now.
Yeah, they're $2 million. Unless you have a black or yellow one,
Oh yeah.
or a red.
No, where are you going, bro?
Whoa.
He's like, where are you going? He's a security guard. Security cat.
Cat guardian.
Jesus. We're just
You
chilling
know, I
at
can give you a
fucking
refresher.
Whole Foods.
There's a.
Not gonna lie to you guys, I kind of kept up.
I'll show you a video.
Yeah, took a little bit extra effort, but I kept up a bit.
Don't matter. It's pretty good. I love this car.
You know, I sat in this exact car 5 years ago. No, maybe 6 years ago when I was in Chicago for the first time when Anna first moved up
Talking about
there.
his old man shit.
And I was like, Anna, just give me, wait till I graduate, I'll buy one. It was in a Mercedes like pop-up thing in Chicago. It was inside like this one building, and they were like having a party. And we just broke.
I need to get my shit together. It's not a funny matter, but I'm right. I need to get my shit together so I can get a vet and keep up more. If not, dust them too. Well, not him. Them too, yes.
Hey, make sure you let him know this is a real GTR. That's a fake GTR. Iman, he said this is the real GTR. Go get him. Very good.
What do you do?
He was already here?
What do you do?
You passed like 10 exits.
He took a different exit?
No, because you passed the 10 exit, bro. What do you
No, I've
use?
used Google Maps.
Dude, that's fucked up.
It was the right way.
Oh shit, let's go.
Oh my god.
Where's Aziz?
Oh shit, fresh meat. Hey. Fast and Furious type shit.
No,
Gang shit.
and cheese.
He's running like a motherfucker. He's gone.
He's still running. He's still running. Why is he still running? Oh my god.
You're right.
It is first time from Iran he is trying to use a gas station.
He said my oil works.
Taiwan's having trouble too.
He said my oil works better for this. God damn it.
Oh man, that's some funny ass shit.
Allah, baby, you having a problem with gas pump? Allah.
She's trying to help him out.
Oh shit.
Auto. Mute memory.
Premium gas. So that's the end of the video. Keep it short. I know you guys are probably saying, why is your hair not actually, I need a haircut. And you know what? No. I'm bringing back the 2020 quarantine fro. Yes, you heard it here first. I'm bringing it back. I'm going to try to either grow it out more than I did in 2020 or keep it around the same. Just fix up some other stuff and add to it. So we shall see with that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sure it was fun hanging out with the boys and finally seeing my friend's AMG GTR that he just got. He had a Viper before and he had a ZR1 before the Viper. So yeah, it's good to see my boys actually winning. Besides, I mean, you are who you hang around. So hell, I'm next. I'm not gonna say maybe. I am going to be next. So we shall see what happens. I still don't know what I want, so I'm still trying to figure that out. But anyways, I actually spec'd out some Lamborghinis on their configurated thing. So in the next video, I'll go over that with you guys and some things that happened that gave me a very good butt pucker moment when I was in the last video. So I will talk about that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, like I said, like always, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
She get on my nerves till I ain't got no nerves left. I come out bustin', my diamonds cold like they Russian. I might spend thousands for nothing. Shoe bottoms red like they blushing. Bands in my pockets, I'm stuffing. Shorty, my girl David Ruffin. She on my head like concussion. Stay with a tool like construction.